going on, guys? Today we are back and we're heading out wheeling with Sean and Casey today. The plan is to find a bull up in high elevation. We've been given directions by Mike and Ryan, so yeah, that's the plan. Just gonna finish airing down and we'll head out. With just a short time on this trail, we are already treated to these gorgeous mountain views. But believe me when I say, that is just a preview of the incredible views we are about to find ahead. Did you hear that crunchy noise? Well, look at the right side of my box and tail light. My rear end slid on a stump and into the tree. And now it's time to get the biggest rig in our group over the same obstacle, the Gladiator.
You see how the back portion of Sean's box here is so close to hitting this tree? In fact, if he goes straight, he's just going to slide right into it and do some damage. That pushed Sean well out of the way, I think.
Hey guys, just interrupting the video real quick to remind you to please smash that like button. And hey, if you don't mind subscribing, our goal is to hit 10,000 this year and we're getting pretty dang close. Anyways, back to the video.
Keep my trajectory though.
I'm not gonna lie, I hated this part. Shelf roads like this can be extremely sketchy. Driving on a really narrow road made entirely of loose rock with a bank to one side, yeah, it's not really for me.
I don't have a lot of experience on these shelf roads. In fact, today is my first time really driving shelf roads like this. I've had very small patches of shelf road, that's it. It's kind of nerve-wracking to drive up this stuff, you know, just white-knuckled it on the steering wheel, even though this isn't that bad. It's just a big, long tumble down that way if you screw up. But look at how beautiful it's getting around us. We got big boulders, we got mountains, we got cliffs. But yeah, now let's hit up our second shelf road here. We made it! This place is insane!
Anyways guys, that about wraps up this week's episode of Dirt Garage. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you check out Sean and Casey's channels, The Story Till Now and Casey250. They're both really great guys and the links to their channels are in the description below. And hey, before you leave, please smash the like button, and if you don't mind, hit the subscribe button too. Our goal is to hit 10,000 this year, and I mean, you know we're close. If you want to support the channel, head over to www.dirtgarage.ca, pick yourself up some merch, a sticker, a shirt, whatever. Every little bit helps, and yeah. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.